Hello and happy Halloween. This is Rozani. By now, you may have heard that there has been a pumpkin shortage of real pumpkins. There have been problems with crops, with shipping, and there are delays getting these items to the pumpkin patches. It's very unfortunate. I hope that you've been able to find your pumpkins this year. And if not, I hope that I could help you out with a few ideas of my own. For those of you that have not been able to get any real pumpkins this year, you may want to consider making your own. So I'd like to share a little bit of my information with you. I like to make my pumpkins out of liquid starch and different types of paper. You'll be able to find this information in my playlists. I'll guide you through different tips and techniques where you can add color to your pumpkins. And not only for Halloween, but also for Thanksgiving. And don't forget all of the decorations and displays. There are so many possibilities. Are you able to find real pumpkins in your area? Let me know in the comments below. As always, I thank you for watching and subscribing to my channel. Take care and see you next time.